If you've ever taken product photos that just don't look quite right, maybe they seem flat, lack detail, or just feel amateurish, you're not alone. Many people unknowingly make a few common mistakes that can hold their photos back from looking polished and professional. Today, I'm going to show you the top 3 product photography mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them fast so your photos stand out. Hi, I'm Rose. I am a former IT specialist turned mompreneur who loves photography. But enough about me, let's talk about how to fix common product photography mistakes so your photos stand out. Mistake number 1, poor lighting choices. One of the most common mistakes in product photography is underestimating the power of good lighting. Bad lighting can make photos look dull, dark, or washed out, which is the quickest way to lose attention and sales. A simple fix: use natural diffuse light for a bright, professional look. Set up your products near a large window and, if needed, hang a sheer curtain to soften the light. This gives your look without any fancy equipment. If you're shooting in a space with limited natural light, consider using a simple ring light or softbox. Position your light source at an angle to avoid harsh shadows and create a balanced, flattering effect that highlights your product's details. Mistake number 2, ignoring background and context. Another common mistake is neglecting the background or setting. A cluttered or distracting background takes the focus away from your product, making it look less professional and less appealing. Instead, opt for a clean, simple background that complements your product. A white or neutral colored background often works best, as it helps the product stand out. For a more stylized look, add context by using a background that tells a story about your product. For example, if you're photographing a kitchen gadget, add a few cooking ingredients nearby. Keep it subtle but relevant, and make sure nothing overshadows the main subject. This instantly elevates the quality of your photo and makes it look thoughtfully composed. Mistake number 3, poor focus and blurry images. Blurry, out-of-focus images can make even the best products look bad, instantly giving an unprofessional impression. This usually happens because of shaky hands or incorrect focus settings. A quick fix for this: use a tripod or any stable surface to keep your camera steady. If you don't have a tripod, simply set your camera or phone on a table or stack of books. Stability makes all the difference, especially if you're using slower shutter speeds in lower light. Also, double-check your focus settings to ensure your product is the sharpest part of the image. For close-up shots, use manual focus if possible, or tap to focus if you're using a smartphone. Sharp, clear photos show off the details that matter, like texture, color, and quality. Key factors that drive sales. So there you have it, the top 3 product photography mistakes that might be holding your photos back, and some quick, easy ways to fix them fast. By focusing on better lighting, choosing the right background, and ensuring your photos are crisp and clear, you'll start creating images that look professional and engaging, the kind that captures attention and drives sales. If you're interested in taking your product photography to the next level and learning even more pro tips, check out my Skillshare classes on product photography. In these classes, I go over all the details to help you create stunning professional photos that sell. Link is in the description below.
You can watch these classes to level up your product photography for 50% less until December 2. Just click the link in the description and use the code DFCMT2024.
I've got even more photography and product photography tips on the way, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Now, if you want more right now, check out this playlist. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!